Question 23. Given that f of x equals x squared minus 2 over the log of 3x plus 10, determine the range of x for which f of x is real and finite. And this is the last question. So, we know that 3x plus 10 firstly has to be bigger than 0, because whatever inside the log has to be bigger than 0. So this is just when x is bigger than minus 10 over 3. So that's the first point. The second point, we know that x squared minus 2 has to be bigger than 0, bigger than or equal to 0 actually. So this is when x, if we draw the parabola here of x squared minus 2, we have root 2 minus root 2 there. And for this to be bigger than or equal to 0, we need x bigger than or equal to root 2, or x is less than or equal to minus root 2. So we know that also that the log of 3x plus 10, this cannot equal 0. And this happens when, for the log of something to equal 0, if we just raise them both, if we just both of them, basically, we get 3x plus 10 equals 1. So we get x equals minus 3. Yeah. Okay, so that's where it cannot equal minus 3, by the way. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is draw a line and where all of these stuff intersect. So we know x needs to be bigger than minus 10 thirds. Yeah, I'm going to write it on the bottom. Okay, minus 10 thirds. And then that 10 over 3 is bigger than minus 3. Yeah, so then we have minus 3 here, and we have minus root 2, and we have root 2. And is that all the things we need? Yep. So we need that x has to be within these bounds, and it needs to be bigger than minus 10 thirds, so within these bounds, and then it also cannot equal minus 3. That's it. So the area where all of these intersect is we have minus 10 over 3 less than x less than minus 3, and then we have minus 3 less than x less than or equal to minus root 2, and then we have x is bigger than or equal to root 2. So all of these together satisfy the question.